Hi, welcome to Cool Kitchen. Burger is one of the world's most favorite fast food. When we hear about fast food, we think it can't be healthy. So, let's change this concept and let's cook a healthy version of vegetarian burger including its bread. Let's make mung bean burger. First, we'll start with baking our bread. Here we have whole wheat flour which we use for our roti or chapati. In this, we are going to add some salt, some baking powder and baking soda. This is no yeast and no egg recipe. That's why we have used baking soda also. Now add some cream layer from milk. You can use milk powder or fresh cream also, but this is easily available in many homes. Add some yogurt also. This is plain yogurt, there is no flavor into this. Lastly, we'll add some milk to knead the dough. Mix all together to form a soft dough. Here we are not using water at all because we need a moisture to the bread and milk will give that moisture. We will mix this to form a soft dough. As you can see, the dough is ready. Let's transfer it to some flat surface for kneading it further. Before that, I have applied some oil to surface and to my hands also. Now we have to knead this dough for around 10 to 12 minutes. Don't compromise on this step. This is really helpful in making bread soft and fluffy. Today we are making burger bread without oven. Hence we are preheating kadai. You can take any heavy bottom pan. Now as you can see, we are done with kneading. You can see dough looks very smooth and even now. Cut this dough into 4 equal portions and shape it like an orange. Keep the dough ball in any oil greased plate or tray which fits in your kadai and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the dough. Similarly, we will prepare remaining buns and keep the dish in kadai for baking. We have to bake these buns for around 40 to 45 minutes on low flame. If you want some nice golden color on top of your bread, apply some milk to it. Cover the kadai with some lid and let it bake. Now let's move to the patty part. Here we have pre-cooked or boiled mung beans. Take it in mixing bowl and mash it roughly. These mung beans are pressure cooked with only minimal water, no seasoning added to it. After mashing mung beans, let's add grated raw potato and mix it really well. Raw potato will give good crunch and binding to our patty. Now we will add garlic powder, onion powder, red chili powder, salt and some Szechuan or chili garlic sauce to it. Instead of powders, you can also use freshly grated onion or garlic. But powder forms doesn't make it soggy or runny. Mix it really well. Now we will add some semolina for binding. You can substitute it with some breadcrumbs or roasted chickpea flour. Our mung bean mixture is ready now. Let's shape it into patty. After shaping this, we will coat it with some dry semolina and then we will fry it in semi-hot oil on medium flame. If you wish to shallow fry these, use boiled potatoes instead of raw. Now patty looks brown and crispy, so it's ready. Take it out in a plate. Let's check our buns. As you can see, our burger buns are also ready. Let's assemble the dish. Here I have cut bread into two parts and applying mayonnaise to bottom part. Then placing our mung bean patty on it. Now add veggies or salad leaves as per your choice. Here I am using tomatoes and onion slices. Now I am applying mayonnaise to the other part of bread also and closing this burger. Serve this all homemade hot healthy burger with some ketchup and chips. Let me know how you like this recipe. Please like and share the recipe, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from our channel. Thank you.